Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Brand new trend just landed on your timeline. And guess what? It's drama-free. No copyright issues, no stolen art, and none of that controversy we saw with those Studio Ghibli-style AI images. This trend is all about creativity, originality, and having fun. So what's the buzz all about? We're going to create a super cool custom action figure toy box using nothing but ChatGPT and a little bit of AI magic. That's right. Imagine taking a regular photo of yourself, or your friend, your pet, your favorite character, anything, into a collectible action figure, complete with a bold character name, custom accessories, a fun backstory, professionally designed packaging, even those cool toy specs you see on real boxes. And the best art? No design skills required. Whether you want to surprise someone with a fun gift, spice up your social media, or just live out your childhood dream of being an action figure, this trend has got you covered. Let's jump in. Alright, first things first, make sure you're logged into ChatGPT. If you don't already have an account, no worries. Just sign in with your Gmail and you're good to go. You can do this using either the free plan or the paid one. The free version comes with daily limits on how many images you can generate, while the paid version lets you create as many as you like. It's totally up to you. Now let's jump into creating an image. I've already got a prompt ready to generate an image of Donald Trump, so I'll show you exactly how it works. This part might take a few minutes, depending on how busy the servers are. Don't stress if it's not instant. Sometimes it's ready in a couple of minutes. Other times it might take 7 or 8 minutes. Just sit tight and let the magic do its thing. And boom, look at that. It just generated a full-on action figure version of Donald Trump in the photo. Super cool. You can also upload a photo and write a prompt to get a cool action figure toy box. You can totally customize it even more. For example, want a smiling face? Add it to the next prompt. Want to swap out accessories or tweak the colors? No problem. You can also reposition items or give it a more confident expression. It's super flexible. Alright folks, that's a wrap for today's video. I hope you had as much fun as I did turning a simple photo into an epic action figure box. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future drops. Got questions or cool creations to share? Drop them in the comments. I'd love to see what you come up with. Catch you in the next one.